Hi, welcome to Q's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a simple Jello mold. This is perfect for any holiday or when company comes over. It's so easy to make and so pretty. You need 2 boxes of your favorite Jello flavor, a Jello mold, and no-stick cooking spray. Each box of Jello takes 1 cup of boiling water. So that means you need 2 cups of boiling water. Then you're going to add the content of each box of Jello, stir it up, and let it dissolve. Once that dissolves for a few minutes, you can now add the other 2 cups of cool water and let it sit for a few minutes. Now you want to spray your mold with a no-stick cooking spray. Turn it upside down so that spray can get into all the nooks and crannies. This way your Jello won't stick. So now we need to release the Jello from the mold. So here's the trick. You're going to fill the sink with some warm water and place your Jello mold into the sink. Then what you're going to do is run that water around the sides of the Jello until you see it being released. After that, you're going to take the lid off, put a dish on top, invert it, and flip it over. There it is. Look at it. Beautiful. Thanks for watching Q's Kitchen Guide. Until next time.